Creating a Steam account is free, quick, and easy, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can get set up without any confusion. Whether you want to make your account in a web browser or get started through the Steam app, this guide will show you exactly what to do. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Steam sign up page. This is where you begin the registration process for a brand new account. Once the page loads, you'll see the account creation form, and the first thing you need to do is enter your email address. Type it carefully, then confirm it in the second box so Steam can verify that both entries match. After that, select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. This helps Steam set the correct region for your account and make sure your settings are configured properly from the start. Next, complete the reCAPTCHA. This is Steam's way of confirming that you're a real person and not an automated bot. Depending on what appears on your screen, you may need to check a box, solve a quick image challenge, or complete a simple verification step. Take your time and follow the instructions on the screen until the CAPTCHA is approved. After that, you'll need to check the box confirming that you are 13 years of age or older and that you agree to the Steam subscriber agreement. Make sure you read and understand this part before moving forward, because it is an important part of creating your account. Once everything is filled out correctly, click Continue. Now, Steam will send a verification email to the address you used during sign-up. Open your inbox and look for the message from Steam. If you don't see it right away, check your spam folder, promotions tab, or any other filtered folder just in case it was moved there automatically. Inside the email, click the button that says Verify my email address. This step is essential because Steam uses it to confirm that you own the email account you entered. Without verifying your email, you won't be able to finish setting up your account properly. After your email has been verified, go back to the original sign-up tab in your browser. Steam will now move you to the next stage of the account setup process. At this point, you need to choose your login credentials, starting with your Steam account name. This is your unique login ID, and it is different from your profile name. Your account name is what you will use to sign in, so choose something memorable, but also something you'll be comfortable using long term, because this part cannot be changed later. That's why it's a good idea to take a moment and pick carefully before continuing. Next, create your password. Steam requires a strong password with at least 8 characters, and it should include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. A strong password helps keep your account secure and protects your games, purchases, and personal information. After entering your password, type it again in the Confirm Password box to make sure there are no mistakes. Double check for typos, because even one wrong character can cause issues when you try to sign in later. When everything looks correct, click Done to finish the setup. And that's it. Your Steam account is now created. From here, you can sign in, browse the Steam store, add games to your library, join your friends in multiplayer, follow your favorite developers, and start customizing your profile. You can also explore Steam's community features, check out sales, and manage your library all in one place. If you ever need to sign in on a new device, just use the account name and password you created during setup. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.